Back up a little bit, baby. Sit down. Sit down. Good girl. Girl. So on this episode of Bangin' Gears, besides Sadie making her film debut on my channel, right, baby girl? Daddy loves you too, I know. We're going to talk about what's going on, what I've done, and what is coming in the next few months. So stick around. That's why you're not allowed in the car. So hey guys, so if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Frank, and if you're returning, also welcome as well. So let's start with the sad news, and the automotive world losing Jessie Combs. If you don't know who Jessie was, she was a television personality, metal fabricator. She's the fastest woman on four wheels. She actually holds a land speed record of 380 something miles per hour in a jet car. An expert in her field, and is an inspiration to men and women everywhere. I just want to give my prayers and condolences to her family and her friends. It's a major loss in our field. Let's talk about the bad news. The bad news is I will not be attending Ocean City Bike Week, Delmarva Bike Fest this year. Planning something pretty epic. Not really sure how you're all gonna take to it, but it's important to me and to my family, and we're gonna film the entire thing, and we'll see how it goes. We hope you stay tuned. I'm not gonna tell you what we're doing or where we're going, but I will try to get as many cars involved as I possibly can, because that's what the channel is about. But because of that, I will not be going to Delmarva Bike Week, Ocean City Bike Fest. So what I will be doing though is I will try to drop a video a day of what I filmed last year. And if you're in that video, please let me know in the comments. I would love to see. I don't get a lot of comments. I get mostly comments about the video's great, the video's good, blah, 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 blah. But I don't get, oh my God, that was me at this time code. So please let me know if you're in the video, even with the car stuff. Would love to know if you guys are in it. So let's talk about what I've done the last 3 months. And we'll catch you up on some videos. I'll put the links to all these videos in the description below if you're interested. So around the end of May, we did Carlisle, Pennsylvania for the Ford Nationals. Huge event. I think in the same spot right before that show, I told you it was basically a Mustang fest, but there's a lot of different Ford cars there. It's just truly an amazing event, and we filmed a great video there. While I was there was obviously a Mustang there that my cousin drove back in the 80s for Racin Jason. And Racin Jason passed away in a car accident. I believe it was in Atco at Pennsylvania. So the car was there. The new owner has reconstructed the entire car back to the way it was. And at the time my cousin drove that car, it broke the speed record at that track, I believe, at that time. Watched the video, it was very inspiring. He was a great man. My cousin Michael loved him very much. And it's a good spotlight video where I throw back, I use a lot of the original photographs and stuff like that. So that's a good video, you should definitely check that out. I also filmed the 23rd annual Father's Day Classic Car Show in Warrenton, Virginia. That is also a huge event that I also film every single year. That turned out great. You're definitely going to want to hit that. A beautiful car show video as well. I also, I do a lot of stuff for the Haymarket Police Department here in Northern Virginia, filmed their Stars and Stripes event for their car show, also did a public service announcement for them and their National Night Out, which is a great mesh of law enforcement and community coming together in celebration. And that was a great video as well. Last video we did was Cars and Cigars in Ashburn, Virginia. There was supposed to be a small show and it turned out to be huge. There were cars on top of cars on top of cars. Cars on sidewalks. It was a great video, a great turnout. Definitely would recommend that one as well. And I started a new series on the channel called Motor Mayhem, where on weeks or times I just don't have time to film. I'm doing something else. You know, I do have a full-time job. I don't do this full-time. And so everybody loves car crashes and stuff like that. So I try to scour the internet looking for the most brutal car accidents I could possibly find. And we put them together in a video for you. No real fender benders or anything like that. It's hard-hitting, smash and dash stuff. So what's coming up? After this little secret video I'm filming instead of going to Bike Week, I come right back, and on the 22nd of September, we do the NRA Car Show in Fairfax at the NRA headquarters. That is another huge event. We're supposed to film it last year, but weather had a different plan for that day, and it was canceled due to rain. So hopefully the weather goes great this year. We're gonna film a really cool opening, I think, to the video. So you're definitely going to want to stay tuned for that. After that, we're going to shoot another video for the Haymarket Police Department, their annual breast cancer walk. I shot that for them last year as well. It was good. It's a real tear-jerker. Maybe some of the ladies out there want to definitely catch that video or check out last year's. Like I said, I'll put the link for that in the description below. But it's a good video, and you know, cancer sucks for everybody. Especially for the person who has it. So they try to raise money for charity during that walk, and they do try to do good, and I always try to give them my time. And then we're right back into Ocean City again for Endless Summer. So Endless Summer, everybody says it's the end of everything for videoing, but it's definitely not. I got stuff coming after that as well. So you're definitely going to want to stay tuned. But Endless Summer, we'll do the same thing we did in Cruise in Ocean City. Be a video a day, and every day before the video, we're going to do a giveaway. You need to be subscribed to the YouTube channel, leave a comment, like the video, you'll be in the running. It's a huge event. I think the videos have always been great. And I appreciate that all of you, I had some great comments about those videos down in Cruise in Ocean City in May, where people like, I get up early just to watch the video. That stuff means so much to me, guys. You have no idea, and I appreciate that. And the numbers show that. The numbers, I have 1,000 people subscribed to the Facebook page, Bangin Gears. I'll put that in the link below as well. My Instagram, I just started this past couple of months. That's taking off as well. And of course, the YouTube channel, I think we're at 712. You know, everybody's shooting for that first 1,000. Everybody says the first 1,000 subscribers is the hardest stuff, and then it takes off like a rocket. But you know, we're almost there, so I'm looking for more subscribers. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please do so. Hit that like button, ring that bell so you get notifications, and that's pretty much everything I got. So stay tuned, stick around, and we'll catch you next time on Bangin Gears.